Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn a really handy little trick, how to automatically align all your components to the grid. In PCB design, sometimes when we place components manually, they might not land exactly on the grid points, maybe because the snap function was turned off, or you just moved something slightly off. It doesn't look like a big deal at first, but later during routing, alignment, or exporting, these tiny misalignments can cause connection errors or positioning issues. So how can we quickly snap everything back to the grid? It's super easy. First, press Ctrl A to select all components. Then go to the top menu and click Layout. In the drop-down menu, find Align. And when you hover over it, a sub-menu will appear. From there, choose the last option, Align Grid. You can also do this faster with the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-G. Once you run that command, the software automatically nudges every component so that it sits perfectly on the nearest grid point. This keeps your layout neat and helps prevent routing problems later on. If you only want to adjust a few parts instead of the whole board, just select these components first, then use the Sum command. It works exactly the same way. To quickly recap, whenever you want all components to snap neatly to the grid, just go to Layout, Align Grid, or press Ctrl-Shift-G. The software will handle the rest for you in an instant. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Once you get used to this trick, your PCB layout will look much cleaner and more professional. See you in the next class.